So welcome guys, this is part 2 of my Jordan vlog, and we're now heading to Wadi Rum, the desert in Jordan. It's about 4 or 5 p.m. and we've came over from Petra. So you can check out that vlog that I posted earlier on my channel to see the Petra and the Treasury Temple, which was absolutely awesome. I just went and got my tickets with using my Jordan pass. So this is what it looks like. So we need to figure out how we get to the campsite for tonight. I didn't even film our pickup truck. So we're in the back of a van now. We're heading over to the campsite. I think we have a rainbow camp. So I'm not sure how long the ride will take.
Hold on.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's just sheer sand. As you can see, it's just a sheer expanse of red sand and cliffs and rock formations all around, and it's a very bumpy ride. There's actually quite a bit of a wind as well, and in the shade you can feel it's quite cool. It's gonna be good for your lungs. And a lot of sand is being whipped up in the air, so we're just arriving now at our campsite. To get here before the sunset.
Okay, I give you the tent now. Okay. And the dinner 7 o'clock. Yeah, and now time for the sunset. You can go behind the tree. Really very beautiful location for the sunset.
You okay?
Yeah. We have 4 tents. 2 double and 2 yeah. Fire the buffet inside for the dinner buffet. And make the dinner Bedouin way. I show you in the ground. Yeah. I tell you before, bring it if you want to take the picture or something.
And there is another option if you want to do the camel riding here.
So I'm staying in camp lucky number 7. Let's go and have a look. This is my camp setup for tonight. Isn't it cute? Look at this. Red as well. It's got 2 single beds in here. Oh wow, how sweet. Hi neighbors. I'm just going to the washroom. I think he said after sunset is tea. Alright, showers. They're clean. Look how red this is. Dry. Why do you need to climb the rock?
Because it gives the best views.
I know, we need to get up there, don't we?
I know. There's nothing in it.
Oh look! There, maybe hyena. Maybe they're living in there. Right, I'm getting that pole. But it is, isn't it? Paws or something.
What in Greek you went to hyenas, maybe dogs.
There's no bears in Jordan, right? Okay. Yeah, the rock formation is just so weird. It's like it feels like it should be inside a cave, but it's just eroded by sand and. Frenchmen!
It's really boom.
Oh my god!
That's the weird looking rock.
Oh my god, he is really. Oh, we're not going down, are we? We're staying here. Where are the bubble tents? I would like to see them at least. Did we? So after clambering up the rocks and the rocky formations to get a nice view of the sunset, we sat here and watched the sun go down. It was absolutely beautiful to watch the changing colors in the sky. We sat there and for a good 45 minutes waiting for the sun to set. Welcome, teas. I think it's enough. Oh, this fire feels nice. So this is where they're cooking the food in the ground. Is it a boy or a girl?
And you have some food for the vegetarian people, and the rice, they close it, you know, is vegetarian eat. Today, you make it this way, and after be back after 2 hours.
انا بخرج الفيديو بتاع بابا.
حط الصينية دائما فوق. And the lamb and the rice is normal Bedouin no cover. Just, you know, tourist way. Some people is vegetarian.
Yeah.
They close it. You know, down anything.
Lentil soup. Oh, look at this meat.
I'll go back to the meat and salad.
Right, so I'm ready for bed. We left Petra about 3:30 today, and then we went to Wadi Rum, and we've come into the campsite. We went to see the sunset, which was absolutely beautiful. The cliff formations and the sand is red sand, and lots of cliff and rock formations. Really spectacular, really eerie. There's like no green anywhere. It's just sand and these like mountainous rocks and hills and mountains. So yeah, so it was really nice. Then we had a Bedouin dinner, and they showed us how they did that by sort of burying the food in the ground, and it's all heated up and slow cooked. So we had slow cooked lamb, some vegetables, some rice, etc. So that was really tasty. They had a lentil soup as well for starters, and that was really, really nice. And they had tea on tap as well, which we could have our fill of. Then after dinner, we went for a walk, look at the stars, because there's hardly any light pollution out here. It's really dark. We saw, there was like really nice stars out. So yeah, so us in the group, we just went and walked around and looked at that. And then we came back, and I've just literally had a shower, changed, so now I'm ready for bed. It's going to be another early start, I think, because we have breakfast, and then we have a van that will take us around the Wadi Rum area, which seems really huge, at 8 o'clock tomorrow. So we have to eat breakfast before that, which is probably about 7, which means we probably have to wake up 6 after 6 to get ready for breakfast. So it's going to be an early morning again tomorrow, another full-on day. And then tomorrow as well, after that, about lunchtime or before lunchtime, we're going to head to the Dead Sea. So I'm really looking forward to that tomorrow. And yeah, I'll let you know how that went. It's the next morning. I'm up. I've not heard anyone. I slept like a log last night. Had a really good sleep. In the bathroom, having a freshen up this morning before we venture out for today. I had a simple but very nice breakfast. We had some eggs that was made on to order with some flatbread. Hello, little guy.
You can't see. Oh my God,
Our pickup truck took us to some of the rocky formations and sites for the day. So we're going out to see some of the formations. So this will be an interesting morning to see what we find. It's actually very windy, and at this time of the morning as well, I'm glad I have my cardigan. It is a bit cool, but we're taken around some of the sites by a very knowledgeable driver. This is our second stop for our Wadi Rum trail. We're passing this mini shop, and we're going into what I believe is a cave between these two massive cliffs, rock formation. Let me zoom out. So if you don't like the outdoors, climbing, hiking, walking, then this probably isn't going to be the trip for you. But if you like a bit off the beaten path, a bit of adventure, not sure what we're going to find, this is perfect. So we basically got to explore the desert. There's writing on the walls here. And drawings. Things on the wall. The writings on the wall. So we're back out into the daylight. More cliffs, mountains, rock formations to explore. The sun is fully up now, so it's starting to really warm up. Wow, the sheer scale of this desert is absolutely awesome. When you look around, it's just desert for miles and miles. It's just, wow, you literally feel like you're on Mars. It's just nothing else but cliffs, rocks, sand, and rock formations. Now this is what I wanted to see. This is the highest rock bridge in Wadi Rum. I think it's called Burdah Rock Bridge, and it stands at about 80 meters tall, and it's the highest in Wadi Rum. So yeah, this is the famous rock arch in this area. So after this, we headed to the Dead Sea, and that will be in the next part of this vlog, so stay tuned.